Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon dip. Start by gathering your simple ingredients for this delightful salmon dip. You'll need 1/8 ounce can of salmon, ensuring it's thoroughly drained to prevent a watery dip. Next, have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese ready, as this forms the creamy base. Don't forget 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to add extra richness and a smooth texture. Finally, chop 2 tablespoons of fresh dill or chives for a burst of fresh flavor. Now, let's create the creamy foundation for our dip. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Use a spoon or a rubber spatula to mix these two ingredients together thoroughly. Continue stirring until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures a wonderfully consistent and velvety texture for your delicious salmon dip. It's time to add the stars of our dip. Gently flake the thoroughly drained salmon into your creamy base. Next, sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill or chives. These herbs provide a fantastic fresh aroma and taste. For an extra layer of flavor, add about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finish with a small pinch of black pepper, adjusting to your preference for a perfectly seasoned dip. Give everything a final gentle stir until all the ingredients are just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Once everything is incorporated, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. Now, place your salmon dip in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Serve your delightful dip with your favorite crackers, pita bread, or crisp fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.